Beginner's Guide to AI Investing Case Studies explained simply. Have you ever wondered how AI is actually being used to invest and make people money in the real world? Today, we are breaking down real case studies that show how artificial intelligence is changing the entire game of investing and how you can start applying the same principles, even as a beginner. AI investing isn't just about robots picking stocks. It's about using data, logic, and predictive analytics to make smarter decisions that most humans simply can't match. The truth is, the future of wealth building isn't emotional. It's algorithmic. And once you understand how this works, you'll never look at investing the same way again. Let's start with one of the most fascinating examples. BlackRock's Aladdin system. BlackRock is the world's largest asset manager, with over $9 trillion under management. And Aladdin is its brain. It's an AI-driven risk management and portfolio analysis platform that runs millions of simulations every day. It tracks how every stock, bond, or fund could react to thousands of different economic scenarios. Interest rate changes, inflation spikes, market crashes, geopolitical conflicts, and helps fund managers make decisions backed by pure data. What's incredible is that Aladdin doesn't just analyze, it learns. Every year, it gets smarter by studying real outcomes versus predictions, helping investors manage risk and find hidden opportunities. Now let us look at a case that hits closer to home. Robo-advisors like Betterment and Wealth. These companies use AI to manage portfolios for everyday investors like you and me. You simply input your financial goals, time horizon, and risk tolerance. And the AI builds a fully diversified portfolio using ETFs and rebalances it automatically. It studies market behavior, reacts faster than humans, and keeps your portfolio optimized without emotions like fear or greed interfering. It's literally like having a financial advisor who never sleeps, never panics, and never overreacts. The best part? The fees are much lower than traditional financial advisors, which means more of your money stays invested and compounds over time. But AI investing isn't just about managing portfolios. It's also helping investors discover hidden opportunities through alternative data. Take, for example, how hedge funds use satellite imagery, weather data, and social sentiment to predict company performance. One case study showed a hedge fund using AI to analyze satellite photos of retail parking lots. By comparing traffic patterns and car counts across hundreds of stores, the AI predicted retail sales before the official earnings reports were released. The result? Consistent profits made from faster, smarter insights that the average investor simply didn't have access to. That's the power of data-driven investing. Another powerful example comes from JP Morgan SLOXM, an AI system built to execute large trades in the stock market. When big institutions want to buy or sell massive amounts of shares, the last thing they want is to move the market or cause price spikes. LOXM studies past market reactions, predicts liquidity, and breaks large orders into small, strategic trades that blend seamlessly with the market. The result? Better prices, less volatility, and higher profits. It is a real-life example of how AI doesn't just predict it. Acts strategically in real time. Even individual investors are now starting to benefit from AI tools. Platforms like Caveout, Trade Ideas, and Zacks AI Ranking use machine learning to analyze thousands of stocks daily and identify patterns that point to potential winners. They don't rely on gut feelings or hype. They rely on data from earnings reports, news, sentiment, and technical indicators. One interesting case study from Caveout showed that its AI-generated chi-score, a stock ranking metric, outperformed the S&P 500 by identifying undervalued growth stocks before mainstream analysts caught on. But here's the most important takeaway. AI isn't here to replace investors. It is here to empower them. The best investors today are not just stock pickers, they're data users. They use AI to gain insights, reduce risks, and make smarter decisions based on evidence, not emotion. Think of AI as your investing partner, one that learns from every trade, studies every trend, and continuously improves. The real edge AI gives investors is time. It does the research for you. It reads hundreds of reports, tracks thousands of metrics, and processes terabytes of data in seconds. What would take a human weeks to analyze, AI does instantly. And that speed translates into opportunity. Whether you're investing for retirement, building a side portfolio, or just starting to learn, using AI tools helps you stay one step ahead of the average investor. So how can you start using AI as a beginner? Start small. Try a robo-advisor to automate your portfolio. Experiment with AI-powered stock screening tools to learn how they interpret data. Track their recommendations over time, and you'll start to see patterns, not just in how the market moves, but how data predicts those movements. The more you observe, the more confident you'll become in making your own AI-informed investment choices. And remember, AI doesn't make emotional decisions, but humans do. That's where most investors lose money. We panic during downturns and chase hype during bull runs. AI keeps your strategy consistent, rational, and optimist. Exactly what successful long-term investing requires. If you're ready to start your journey into AI investing, make sure you're not just watching, you're learning. Because the people who understand how to use technology to build wealth today are going to be the ones leading tomorrow. So take the first step. Explore these tools. Build your confidence. Let data and AI guide you to smarter decisions. And if you found this helpful, hit that like button. Share it with someone who wants to grow their money smarter. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every week, we break down complex investing strategies into simple, beginner-friendly lessons to help you master your money with the power of AI and data. Because the future of investing isn't about luck. It is about learning how to think like the machines that are shaping it.